Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about bubble sort. Bubble sort is useful for small data. Bubble sort is the comparison-based algorithm in which two adjacent elements is compared. If second element is greater than first, then swap element with one another. Like 12 and 22. So 12 is less than 22. So 12, 22, 18, 90, 36, 50. And after that, comparison 22 with 18. So 18 is less than 22. So swap 18, 22, 90, 36 and 50, and like this same, and then comparison to 36, 12, 18, 22, 36, 90 and 50. So like that 12, 18, 22, 36, 50 and 90. So our problem is solved by comparing two adjacent elements in the array. So create an algorithm like void bubble sort integer type array and int number of elements in the array, and here create integer type variable temp for swapping, pass variable for outer loop. Bubble sort is solved by nested loop. So for inner loop I and for interchange is here 0, or we can say that 1. Suppose that we have this array, initial array, there is no change because this is sorted array already. So if there is no interchange, then stop the process, otherwise swap all the numbers according to the situation. Here is the outer loop for pass is equal to 1, pass plus plus, so this is first pass, and here is the condition pass less than n minus 1. By using AND operator, also check interchange should be is equal to 1, and also pass, and here is the inner loop where I is equal to 0, I plus plus, I less than is equal to n minus pass, and now compare two values. First of all, change the interchange value to 0 now, and if condition is true, then interchange will be is equal to 1. And now compare the two values compare first value ai greater than, if ai greater than ai plus 1, like here, if I 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, then compare these two values. So if it is true, then store temp dot ai and interchange the values. First store ai means store, for example, if 18 and 12, first store 18 into temp, then I plus 1, then store 12 here, no, 12 here, and after that temp contains, the value of temp is 18, so I plus 1 temp. Now here create array integer type, size of the array is 5 and like 18, 24, 90, 10, 5. Copy, paste it here, put comma, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just remove one value because our nested loop is according to 5, or you can add over 6 values in it, like and this is the benefit of dynamically programming. So size is depends on n. So now call bubble sort array and value of n is 6. Run the program. So interchange, execute the program. Okay, and then by using for loop, int I is equal to 0, I less than is equal to 6 over I less than 6 I plus plus, and after that here by using printf tab d and I. Now run the program. 5, 10, 12, 18, 24 and 90. So our array is successfully sorted in ascending order. So if you want to change the values like 90, 1, 2, and now run the program. 1, 2, 5, 24, 90, 90. So you can also arrange values into descending order or ascending order, just changing the greater than or less than sign here. Now our values are in descending or ascending order by this sign. So descending order 100, 90, 24, 5, 2, 1. So for example, our array is like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. It is already sorted. Change the symbol. So no need to run for loop again and again. So because our array is already sorted, so run and compile. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each time inner for loop sort at least one element. So that's why we are going to mention here n minus pass, because like if this is the condition, like here, so the first pass is 18 and 12, 24, 90, 10, 5, then 12 and 24, 18, 12, 24, 90, 10, 5, 18, 12, 24. Now compare 90 and 10. So 10 is here and 90 here. So 18, 12, 24, 10. So compare 90 with 5. So 5 is here and 90 is here. So look at this condition. Greater value is the right position, and which is the last position, and the 90 is here. Now n minus pass means skip this one and swap all other values, then execute n minus pass times loop. So thank you for watching this video.